Hello my dear crafters, here is Vita Crafts and my new series for very beginners, which I will call Vita Craft School. On this series I will put very short videos about essential stitches for knitting and crochet. If you are here first time, welcome, sit down, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and put thumb up. And this first video will be about cast on, because each project we will start with casting on. Cast on is a first preparing stitches which will be base of our pattern for future project. And here you are. You need needles. I have my ordinary straight needles just for this purpose, because usually I like to use circular needles. I will tell about this in other video, and in this one we are just learning to cast on. I will show you the most ordinary, most popular way to cast on with a long tail. We are doing the continental style knitting, which is very fast and which is popular in my country. Then, as name suggests, we need a long tail. The length of our tail will depend on quantity of stitches we need to cast on. For this purpose I will use very short tail, because we will just cast on a couple of stitches, and you will need to see how long you need to leave for as many stitches you need. Right? Here you are. On left side is yarn which go into the ball. On right hand is a tail. You get the tail and pass it between index fingers and middle finger, and then put on top of your thumb like this. You are ready now. Yes, you have a little triangle. Hold both ends with your fingers, and this is a position for your left hand for start casting on. Hold your ends. Now take two needles together. We will cast on two needles because this will give us very straight and very nice edge. In other case, if you use just one needle, your edge can be very small and not stretchy, and it will pull your edge together and it will not look nice. Then always use two needles to cast on. Then first two stitches we do in this way. We insert our needles in here and create loop around our thumb like this, and then insert needles in this loop. Turn your hand this way, grab the yarn from index finger and pull it through this loop. Let me show you again slowly. We are learning here, and then everything needs to be clear and slow. Let's go inside, then loop around the thumb this way, and from down to up, yeah, down to top, and then grab the yarn, hold this finger here on your right needle, the right hand side, and then grab the yarn and pull it through the loop, and then take your thumb out and pull your yarn together tight, and then you have your first two stitches on your needles. Let's repeat for the next stitch. Same thing, yeah? Around the thumb, go from down up, grab the yarn and pull it through this loop tight, and here we go. This is 3 stitches, and each time we repeat this procedure we will create 1 stitch. I have 5 stitches. Let me do a couple more. And here we are. Congratulations, you made your first step to start learning knitting. And this is amazing art, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see other videos for any level of knitting and crocheting and other crafts. Thank you very much. See you on the next videos.